What's up, guys, and welcome back to Dead Space, the remake. And when we left off, we were going to do a thing, and I don't remember what that thing was. Oh, hello, crackhead door. How are you? But now we're gonna go this way. Wait, is this? Yeah, this way. To go do whatever the fuck it is we gotta do over here. We get to go down. It's a medical kinesis module. Chapter 2 into tutorial. What is this? Nothing. At least my kinesis doesn't use my stasis.
Gotta hold the line. They all came.
Oh shit. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Inventory. Oh shit. Okay, my controller's dying. Hold on. This is not good. No, it's never good when your controller dies in middle of scary places. Okay, controller has been undone. Controller is still dying for some fucking reason. Damn. My girl did hold the line. Shit. Oh, let's save. You did good, ma'am. Here, let me take that out of your... Not that. Let me take that... Or not. Voices, shut the fuck up. Now is not the time. There's some serial shit going on, man. I don't have time for your bullshit. Look at what you did, dead body, or demons. Look at what you fucking did. This is your fault. The demons are your fault. Or the dead bodies are your fault.
Now accessible. Thank you for your patience.
Well. Oh. Thank you. Excuse me. Really? Oh, shit. Oh, it's this place.
Isaac.
Fuck you.
Daniels, we were attacked. She ran the other way.
No, nothing. Medical's a slaughterhouse. They barricaded access to the morgue.
The morgue?
Yeah, but the barricade was put together in a hurry. The
that's
hydrogen
it,
tank
yeah.
might blow it open. Just need a detonator. Like
Oh, doggo's
maybe a
barking.
shock pad. I think Cole could be through there if...
Isaac. The one who attacked us. I swear to God it was Chen. But I saw him die. If they barricaded the morgue, maybe it was to keep something in.
Find the shock pad. Oh, let's save. Is there a level 3 suit yet? There is not. Pulse rounds. What the fuck is the legacy rig? Is that the first one I had? Like my original one? I didn't know I could swap between them. I think this is my... This is the original one I had? Maybe? It looks different than my original one though. Huh. Alright then. Legacy rig it is. Going that way. No, what, did you say something about a washing machine? Shut the fuck up, voices. Stop being stupid. CEC Imaging Diagnostics Lab. Haha! Fuck your own face. Oh. Do the sound design. Holy shit. Damn, he's fucked up. What the fuck was that? And I don't mean my phone buzzing. Fuck off, door. Okay. I really feel like I need to kill that one. Probably can't though, but it would have been worth a shot. What's over here? just in case. I feel like I might have fucked up my suit because I had a level 2, and then I went and stasis zone, stasis energy. Let's do this one now. Wait. Okay, before I go in there, I'm going to check over here. Oh wait, I need to save. Okay, because there's a bunch of shit I just walked by. Oh, excuse me. Hello. Text log. Okay, this one doesn't look like it's very long. The diagnoses are stacking up as fast as I can file them. Sleep paralysis, hallucinations, nightmares, paranoia. I'm getting patients from all over the ship. No underlying cause is showing up in environmental analysis. Foodstuffs or radiation levels, I admit I am at a loss. Mercer says he and Kine are working on a hypothesis, so in the meantime I'm treating the symptoms. I'm seeing some improvement with sensory deprivation treatments in our zero-G therapy pods, but the sheer number of patients we're managing bothers me. Those systems are old and they need an overhaul. With so many pods active, I worry what might happen if there's a serious power surge down there, but nothing else seems to help. I suppose the odds are low enough. I'd rather take a small calculated risk than have dozens of miners and engineers impaired around heavy machinery. Wait. Oh, okay. What the fuck, bitch. Go suck your own dick. Wait, is that a... Was that a heartbeat? Was my heart beating faster? That's so weird. Straight up, I know. I already tell something's gonna come through this fucking vent right here. Watching you, asshole. Infidels? Huh. Okie dokie. So, okay. Glad I upgraded my air before I came down through here.
Entering vacuum. Entering zero gravity.
Excuse me. Do I get to see the hand?
Exiting vacuum.
Ha! Sweet. Haha, that's cool. Okay, I like that a lot better than the walking on the wall shit. Shit, now I gotta look up for shit. Hydrazine
Still holding
canister.
this position. What's happening there? Did you find Nicole?
No sign of her yet. But I found some hydrazine that should work on the barricade. I just need to find a shock pad.
Okay. Work fast, Isaac.
Entering zero gravity.
Oh, I like how they reoriented or redid the thing to where it like just points straight to it instead of down, and then whatever the fuck in it. Oh shit!
What the hell? It shut the whole ship. I'll check it out.
Entering vacuum.
Wait, can I take off in here? I can. The fuck?
Exiting vacuum.
Okay. Well, wait. Shut up, voices.
Entering vacuum. Exiting vacuum.
Oh shit! Hello, sir. Shit. Wait, am I out of ammo? I am not out of ammo. Oh shit, I'm out of ammo.
God. Took one step out of the captain's nest and Chen, that thing, he almost got me.
You okay?
I trapped him in a damaged escape pod. He's snarling like, this is fucked up. Hurry, Isaac.
Zero gravity.
That's not cool, game. Whoa, what the fuck did I just do? Shit. Oh, hello. I wonder if I can stasis them. Or, like, grab them with my kinesis. I need to go this way. There's more shit I gotta get! What the fuck?
2,000 years later.
Triangle. Oh, it's this fucking place.
Anomaly detected. Quarantine
You
activated.
wretched bastards. Shit. Fuck you, assholes. Oh, please be health kit. Fuck. Damn! Son of a bitch.
Hazardous anomaly detected. Quarantine activated.
Is there anything over here? I am not having very much luck with ammo in games lately. And it's starting to annoy the absolute shit out of me. But at least this time, going down here, I've got more help. How did I do the big shooty? I really like this gun. They made this gun way more fun. I got 6 of these. Sweet. What is this from?
Nicole? It's me.
Personal log, Dr. Nicole Brennan. With medication and zero-G therapy, patient Harris is showing improvement. If this continues, there might be hope for the others on Aegis 7. However, Dr. Mercer continues to interfere. He claims Harris's delusions are religiously significant. If I have to make a complaint, I will. I'm not losing my patient over unitology bullshit. Not again.
Tracking rig signal. Dr. Nicole Brennan. Rig location? Inconclusive. Manual rig tracking is available.
Okay, dictation on I'll keep your name out of the transcript. Jane Doe thinks. It's just hard to remember what's real. Your church mentor talked to you again. He knows me and my girlfriend want to leave. I can feel it. Our last seminar was all about heretics. Cardiovascular deformation. Okay. How every unitologist leaves is an enemy of humanity. Unitology is big enough to take care of itself. This is about what's right for you. Just be careful. The church pulls out these tricks when they feel threatened. They have neuropsychiatrists too. Even if you try to get out, they'll try to. Dr. Brennan, sorry, did something happen? I had a patient who I tried and her son tried so hard, but I will fight for you with everything I've got. But never underestimate how strong the church's pull can be. fuck, dude? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there's a baby. I like how I can hear my heart beating faster and faster. Oh, fuck off. There's disembodied baby voices now? That's bullshit. Oh, that's weird as shit. So in this universe, humans are grown. Clerical error. Zoe, specimen 426 is ready for harvest. I was about to notify Alvarez to prep for medical leave, but when I checked the database, I saw Ensigned Sable has been moved ahead of her. Is that right? Alvarez has been on the waiting list for 3 months now. I thought arm transplants took priority over... Oh my god, really? Here's your clerical error. One of them bought CEC stock at the last purchase. One didn't. Guess which one was suddenly bumped up to Vita personnel? It's not worth the headache to push back on it. Trust me. Before you think about filing an ethics complaint, just remember the wise words of Hippocrates. Shit rolls downhill. So they grow humans to fucking harvest for people? Like organ transplants and shit? This is like that fucking movie The Island! Holy shit, Batman! Shit. Oh, hello, other baby. Fuck you, other baby. What you need, we have space for it? What?
Daniels isn't answering her rig link. What's your status?
I found a shock pad I can use. I'm heading back there now.
Watch the voltage on that pad. We're not losing anyone else.
Really? Oh boy. Ah, you fucking asshole. Oh my god. I need a safe. Where's the safe thing? There it is. Okay, let's see here. What can I get? Oh, sweet. Hmm. Okay. We're gonna need that for sure.
Remember, when you reach the morgue, find Captain Mathias' body. Get his rig codes, and the computer's all ours.
Weapon upgrade.
Security clearance required.
Fuck this ship. Find the captain's body.
Loop and transmit to all personnel. This is Senior Medical Officer Nicole Brennan. Medical is overwhelmed. We need help. Look at his wounds. We can't handle so many trauma cases, and the command crew won't tell us what's happening. He's seizing. Shit. Maybe I have some PHP left.
Okay. There's the body here.
Loop and transmit to all personnel.
Text log. Harris is asleep after another dose of sedative. He seems literally unable to sleep without chemical aid. Most people succumb to exhaustion after more than 50 hours of waking. Regardless of circumstances, not Harris. His bizarre explanation of the events on the colony points to the same paranoia we've seen elsewhere planetside. His guilt is not in doubt. Two security officers were present when he took Dr. Sciarello hostage and murdered Nurse Evans. And Harris doesn't deny his actions, but he shows no remorse. In fact, he insists there was no crime, specifically that Evans wasn't a nurse when he killed her. This is a classic sociopathic behavior, but Harris exhibits no other symptoms. He is affable and friendly, able to empathize and offer original opinions. When questioned about Evans' murder, however, he becomes withdrawn and uncommunicative. He claims the explanation is stuck in his mind and that talking about it mixes up its message. He also undergoes intermittent hallucinatory periods, again similar to those experienced by other colonists. During his long waking periods, Harris exhibits writing behavior on any available surface, claiming the dreams need to speak, and that he's attempting to make it whole again. What that means, I haven't determined yet. Given the complexities of his case, I plan to reach out to my colleagues for more insight.
Medical log, Dr. Nicole Brennan. So much for being paranoid. I repurposed this room to run counseling sessions without unitologists interfering. Now it's the only place I feel safe. I recovered a limb after yesterday's attack. Genetically, it's human tissue with bizarre mutations. But it's just a sample. It's not enough to figure out a cure. I need... Wait, where's that report from engineering? Here. The engineers pulled something out of machinery. Limbs missing, torso intact. Okay. Time for a real autopsy.
Sure the battery ensure no power is being used. Oh, okay. There. I don't mind you little bastards. It's your big brothers that are scary as fuck. Nope. Run away. Wasn't there? Yep. Shit. My dog scared the fuck out of me. Where are you at, you little bastard? Oh, you're on the fucking ceiling. Die, bitch. Okay, I need to go look at it this way first, though. I knew it! I knew it was a good idea to look this way! Look at me being a smart! Alright, you fucking assholes. I know you're in here. What the hell?
Security request retrieved.
You left me. I woke in the dark with them scratching in the walls. Scratching like rats. And you all locked me in with them. Fuckers. I'll cut them out. I'll cut them out. I'll cut them out.
Oh, alrighty then. Okay, I'm just gonna take that. Go down this way to get whatever that shit is. Do it. Shit.
Mercer, it's Terrence Kine. You were in surgery, so I left this with Warwick. He'll be discreet. I just got the latest report from Aegis 7. The situation's worse than Captain Matthias will admit. 40% of the colony's population is now showing symptoms. Depression, hallucinations, more violence. People are dying down there. I know it's linked to the marker somehow, but I just don't have enough data.
Oh, first mention of the marker.
Maybe I was wrong. We need answers by any means possible. That patient, Brent Harris, might be our last hope.
Okay. Well, damn, lady. I love how anytime there's like anything freaky as fuck happening,
Level 2 security clearance required.
his heart starts beating faster. Okay, I'm gonna break this. Okay, hold on a second, I need a second. What the fuck?
Hull breach detected.
Oh, I threw it at it and it went around the corner. Oh, an elevator. Sweet. Oh good, I love it when it's... Oh, you can fuck right off. I don't remember this room being like that. I don't... Why don't I remember this room? Should I? It is my unfortunate duty to officially pronounce Captain Benjamin Matthias dead. I'm not... Okay, I can't read all that. Verdict unnatural death. Did I come in here before? No way! Instead of it being in here with in this room, we're in here with it. Oh, that is fucking cool as shit. Oh shit, Isaac, you better run like a motherfucker, dude. Ow. Oh shit, it's not dead. Okay. Is there anything else in here before I head out there? Oh my god, dude, what the fuck? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Excuse me, sir. Oh god. Go, open the door. Open the elevator. Get the fuck out of here. I can't get the fuck out of here. Okay. Right with this. Oh my god! Fuck all of you. I almost forgot it.
What's your status? Do you have the captain's rig?
Yes, and shit in my pants.
Transmitting codes now. I saw it, Hammond. A flying one turned the captain's body into another one of those things. The same must have happened to Chen.
God. Maybe the command computer has something. Where's Daniels when you need her? Head back to the security checkpoint. It's safer there. At least I can upgrade your clearance.
Okay. Oh good, I get to go that way.
Clearance confirmed.
Yay, clearance confirmed. Oh shit!
Isaac,
But here, what the hell's happening?
the computer says the Ishimura's engines are offline. We're on a decaying orbit toward Aegis 7.
Oh god. I have to get to engineering.
There's no time. That tram station's offline. Unless... Here. Head back to the flight deck. I'll guide you from there. If this damage report's right, there's a shortcut to engineering.
Objective cancelled. Go to the security. Okay, guys. I think I love how I'm pretty much fucking okay, guys. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I love how I'm exiting or ending these videos where I did in the where I did in my original playthrough. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This episode's been intense. There's so much more intense shit in this one. It's so fucking crazy. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye. Wait, am I out of ammo? I am not out of ammo. Oh shit, I'm out of ammo.